Hi guys, I'm just walking along the nice quiet city of New York. It is quite peaceful. I've always wondered what's up there. Wow! Okay, good, the camera still works. Guys, as you know, I slipped and fell in. And oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Hi, Jelly. Oh god, I think I've been caught by a current. Oh. Where am I? Ah! Alright, so it turns out he wasn't. Turns out he wasn't some kind of terrorist. He was just an innocent little seagull who was unfortunate enough to fall off his ship and land here. Sorry I gave you guys a panic. It's just I was a little bit scared. Where am I? Can you believe it? Now I've fallen off that cliff and gotten caught in that stupid ocean current. I'm now lost. Alright. Well guys, I guess I don't really know what else to do, so I'm just gonna freaking stay out in this island. I'll check back with you guys tomorrow. And hopefully I'll be out of here by then. I guess I'm gonna have to sleep here for the night.